When you get your Resin Mega HotBox, it's going to come flat packed like this, and the mounting's real easy. You'll also have the USB extender and the backing nut. I'm going to show you how to put it all together, and I'm going to tell you about the protective film and how to remove it if you want to. So the setup is real easy. You kind of just stand it up and unfold it and lift up the top panel, kind of get it into a rectangular shape position, and then you just slide the zipper around, and the structure is complete once you turn that around. There we go. So one of the first things you need to do is you need to put some batteries into the thermometer. It doesn't ship with batteries for international shipping issues. You need 2 LR44 batteries. They're quite simple, and you get them from the back side of the battery compartment. We've already put them in, but let me just unzip this a little more so you can see it. But there's the door. You just slide it this way and put them in. The next thing you want to do is put in your USB extender cable. So to do that, we take off the backing nut. We fish it through the hole. You put the backing nut with the wider flange facing the back side over the cable. Put the cable in, the adapter in, and just screw that together. You just want to make sure that it's visually lined up on the front so it's aesthetically pleasing. And you've got it. Now you have your USB extender, so you can plug that in anywhere on your machine, and you're going to have easy access to the USB port.